Good morning, students. In the last class, we have started the carboxylic acid as new topic, and we have also seen the general introduction and the nomenclature for the organic compounds. In this today's class, we will discuss the methods for the preparation of an carboxylic acid. That is, methods for the preparation of an carboxylic acid. Let us see first method. The first method from primary alcohol. First we are taking the from primary alcohol. Primary alcohol means an OH group is attached to the primary, that is OH group is attached to the primary carbon atom, then those compounds are known as an primary alcohol. Then so when the from we are taking the first one from primary alcohol, when the primary alcohols undergo oxidation in the presence of an alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified K2Cr2, that is acidified potassium dichromate, then it will use the compound and carboxylic acid. Then let us see the reaction here. When the primary alcohols, this is the primary alcohol, general representation for the primary alcohol. Primary alcohols undergo oxidation in the presence of alkaline KMnO4. It is alkaline KMnO4, or we can take acidified K2Cr2O7, that is acidified potassium dichromate. Then that is primary alcohols undergo oxidation in the presence of an alkaline KMnO4, then it will use the compound carboxylic acid. Use the carboxylic acid. Then balance the reaction here. The number of oxygen on that side 3 and here then 2, then balance. Okay, this is the balanced reaction. This is the carboxylic acid. The compound is an acid, that is carboxylic acid. Then let us see particular example for this reaction. In the place of R, we can take the CS3. Okay, CS3 CH2 OH. When undergo oxidation in the presence of alkaline KMnO4, then it will use the carboxylic acid. The carboxylic acid contains same number of carbon atoms present in the alcohol. So here number of carbon atoms are 2. Then the carboxylic acid also contains the number of carbon atoms 2. CS3 COOH plus water molecule here. Then the compound is the acetic acid. This compound is known as, generally it is known as an acetic acid. IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. The IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Then this is the ethyl alcohol. Generally it is known as ethyl alcohol and IUPAC name is ethanol. When the ethanol undergo oxidation in the presence of alkaline KMnO4, or we can take the acidified K2Cr4, then we will use the compound acetic acid. Here, when we compare the acid and alcohol, both contain the same number of carbon atoms. Then we can take another example here. CS3 CH2 CH2OH, then it is an primary alcohol undergo oxidation in the presence of an alkaline KMnO4, that is potassium permanganate. It will use the compound acid containing the same number of carbon atoms present in the alcohol. And number of carbon atoms is here 3. CS3CH2 COOH plus water molecules. The compound is the propanoic acid. 3 carbon atoms are there and it contains the Carboxylic acid has a functional group, therefore it is known as propanoic acid. Okay. And it is a propanoic acid. It is the propyl. Generally, it is known as propyl alcohol, or IUPAC name is propanol. Okay. That is IUPAC name is propanol. And here, if we take the node, that is node is if secondary alcohols or tertiary alcohols undergo oxidation in the presence of alkaline cheminophore or potassium dichromate, then it will use, and one less carbonate, then it will use the acid containing less carbon present in the alcohol in the initial. Then it is one shot of alcohol, one shot of carbon atom containing the carboxylic acid will be formed when compared to the initial alcohol here. Let us take the example here. CS3 CH OH CS3. It is the and secondary alcohol. It is OH is attached to the secondary carbon atom. Therefore, it is a secondary alcohol. It is name for this compound is 2-propanol. 2-propanol. When the 2-propanol undergo oxidation in the presence of an alkaline cheminophore or acidified K2Cr2O7, then it will use the compound carboxylic acid containing one less carbon atom compared to the initial alcohol. Okay. Then it will use the CS3COOH plus carbon dioxide plus water molecules. Okay. Now balance the reaction here. Number of oxygen is what here? Number of oxygen 1, 2. Then number of first balance the hydrogen here. Number of hydrogen is 3, 4, 5, 8. And here 4, then 4 plus 4, 8. Number of hydrogen is balanced. Balance the oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are the oxygen here. And take 5. Now balance, it is the balanced reaction. This compound is the acetic acid. The compound is the acetic acid. When we compare the alcohol, secondary alcohol and acid here, the acid contains one less carbon atom compared to the alcohol. And tertiary carbon atom also use one less carbon atom compared to the alcohol. Then the second method from aldehydes. The second method is from aldehydes. From the aldehydes we can prepare the carboxylic acid. The aldehydes undergo oxidation in the presence of an alkaline cheminophore or acidified K2Cr2O7, then it will use the respective carboxylic acid. Then let us see the general representation for this and reaction. That is aldehydes C double bond OH when undergo oxidation in the presence of alkaline cheminophore, or we can take the alkaline cheminophore or we can take the acidified potassium dichromate, then it will use the compound carboxylic acid, that is R C double bond O, then OH. Okay. This is the acid, that is carboxylic acid. This is the general representation for this reaction. Then let us see, this is the this is an aldehyde. And let us see particular example for this reaction. Example 1. When the aldehydes, that is CH3 C double bond OH, the name for this compound is an acetaldehyde. When the acetaldehyde reacts with oxygen, it is undergo oxidation in the presence of an alkaline cheminophore then it will use the compound called acid, that is acetic acid. The acetic acid will form here CS3 C double bond OH. The compound is the acetic acid. Okay. And we can take the another example here. It is example number 2. CS3 CH2 C double bond OH. Then propanaldehyde. This compound is the propanaldehyde. That is propanaldehyde. When undergo oxidation in the presence of alkaline KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7, then it will use the propanoic acid. 3 carbon atoms are there, and CS3 CH2 COOH, or we can write like this C double bond O, or simply we can represent it C double bond O, then OH. The compound is the propanoic acid. 3 carbon atoms are present, that is propanoic acid is the IUPAC name, and it is also known as in general name. And this is the second method, that is from aldehydes. The third method from alkyl benzene. The third method is from alkyl benzene. Okay. From the alkyl benzene, we can prepare the carboxylic acid. Then, when alkyl benzene undergo oxidation by treating with the strong solution of KOH, then it will use, and salt of acid, which on further acidification, this will use the carboxylic acid. Okay. Then let us see the reaction here. Take the example here. When we take example, it is alkyl benzene, particular alkyl benzene is CS3. Consider an example toluene. Toluene, when undergo oxidation, in the oxidation with KOH, the solution of KOH, in the place of KOH, we can use the NaOH. Then it will use the compound COOK, potassium salt of benzoic acid. It will use the potassium salt of benzoic acid, and which on further acidification, that is when we further carry the acidification COOK, and in acidification we can take hydrochloric acid, then it will use the compound main product, that is and benzoic acid. Okay. But the byproduct is the potassium chloride. The main compound is the benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Like this, we can prepare the carboxylic acid from the alkyl benzene. And fourth method, is from cyanoalkanes, or we can call it as alkyl cyanide, or we can call it as an alkane nitrile. We can call it as alkane nitrile. Let us see how the that is carboxylic acids are prepared from the cyanoalkanes or alkyl cyanide or an alkane nitrile. Okay. When the alkane nitriles react, that is when alkane nitrile undergo hydrolysis in the presence of hydrochloric acid, then it will use the amide, which on further hydrolysis gives the carboxylic acid. Then let us see how the reaction, how the carboxylic acids are prepared here. RC triple bond N, and it is known as an alkane nitrile or cyanoalkanes or alkyl cyanide. We can write the any one of the name alkane nitrile. When alkane nitrile undergo hydrolysis in the presence of, that is hydrolysis, can write like this, H2O, hydrolysis in the presence of hydrochloric acid, that is H plus hydrochloric acid, then it will give the compound amide, this RCONH2 here. This compound is known as an amide. When this amide, that is RCONH2, that is amide, undergo further hydrolysis, it will use the compound and carboxylic acid here, RCOOH plus NH, that is ammonia, and the byproduct is the ammonia here. Once again I will look at this reaction. When the alkane nitrile undergo acid hydrolysis, that is in the acid we are taking the hydrochloric acid here. When the alkane nitrile undergo hydrolysis, then it will use the compound amide, which on further hydrolysis it will produce the compound cut and carboxylic acid, that is acid. Then let us see an example here. First, that is CS3 C triple bond N. Here the name for this compound is an ethane, that is 1 to 2 carbon atoms are there. Therefore, it is known as ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile is the name for this compound, or we can call it as cyanomethane or methyl cyanide. When this methyl cyanide undergo hydrolysis, that is acid hydrolysis, gives the compound amide, that is acetamide CS3CONH2, acetamide. When the acetamide CS3CONH2 acetamide undergo hydrolysis further, it will use the product called acetic acid, that is CS3COOH plus NH. The compound is the acetic acid will be formed here, acetic acid. And we can take the another example here. The example is, that is example second one. This is the first one, and that is benzaldehyde. This is the human. Try. I will tell the sentence and convert it to the reaction. Benzaldehyde, phenylnitrile or benzonitrile under hydrolysis in the presence of acid use the benzamide, and which on further hydrolysis it will use the acid, that is benzoic acid. Try this reaction in the home. This is over the today's class. We have seen in this today's class 4 methods. First one is the methods for the preparation of an alcohol, that is carboxylic acid from primary alcohol, and second one is the from aldehydes, and third one is the from alkyl benzene, and fourth one is the from cyanoalkanes or alkyl cyanide or alkane nitrile. This is the second example is the Homer. Then the first one, the first reaction we are using the catalyst oxidizing agent alkaline KMnO4, and in the second reaction, that is from aldehyde, also we are using the oxidizing agent. In this reaction we can use the oxidizing agent as chromic acid. Chromic acid also used in this reaction as oxidizing agent. This is about the today's class, and next class we will discuss the more methods for the preparation of an carboxylic acid. Thank you.